What's up, y'all? Just want to toss up a quick video. I am hiding here under a cubicle. I'm at my work, and my stupid-ass brother showed up at my work looking for me. So it's gonna get interesting. It's gonna get interesting fast. Now, in the middle of all this, I did grab a knife. So if he comes at me, I'm gonna stab at him. Hardcore stabbing at him. Now, obviously, here at my work, I'm running under a different name. It ain't Danny, okay? Now, he's here looking for Danny, asking people for Danny. Nobody knows who Danny is. I gotta move. I gotta move. Oh, man. He's just here to embarrass me and pretty much get me fired, okay? Now, I saw this coming. I saw this coming a mile away, okay? Now, last night, I was downstairs in his place, okay? And on the table, I noticed a bus pass that he purchased online. So right away, he got me thinking, what the hell does he need a bus pass for? And secondly, where the hell does he get the money to buy it? So I checked my bank statements. Boom, on my Visa, there's a purchase for a bus ticket. He stole my Visa number and purchased the damn ticket. So I canceled my Visa, obviously. But I knew he was up to something today. The next day, I knew he was gonna do something stupid. And this was it. Now, this was a close one. I was walking down the hallway, and I saw him talking to the receptionist, causing a scene right away. As soon as I saw him, boom, I ducked down. All right, my main focus is... Hey, Ron, what's going on, man? No, I'm just keep it cool, man. Yeah. All right. Okay, my main focus here is to get the hell out of here without him seeing me. All right, now I gotta figure out a plan. I'm gonna go down the stairs into my car. I'm gonna go home. When I get home, I'm gonna set up a surprise attack. I'm gonna grab all the weapons I got. I'm just gonna wait for him there like a tiger. When he comes through that door, I'm gonna bust at him with everything I got. It's gonna get ugly. I can't wait. I just know I gotta get the hell out of here because I don't want to lose this damn job. I'm gonna have to move. Oh, man. I gotta get the hell out of here, man. Okay, alright, so far we're good. Damn stairs are down there. Oh, man. Alright. Okay, we're good for now. That could have been awkward. But, yeah. I'm about to go home and deal with that idiot. As always, you guys subscribe if you want to see more of these videos. Click like, comment, let me know what you think. And this was Danny Gun. Later.